So what's up people, how's it going? My name is Alex and today we are having another video of trading, of May trading, and that's it. You, me and laptop that I'm having for trading and everything. So basically, hopefully this video is gonna be really informative for you and you're gonna enjoy it. This is what I'm hoping for, because I believe you like when I'm getting the profit, when I'm winning the money. Yeah, and if you are willing to do the same, do not forget to join my Telegram VIP group. The link is going to be in the pinned comments below. So just move to the comment section, and then the first comment is going to be linked to the Telegram VIP group. So do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I'm having $75 in my account, my balance right now, and let's see what I can do with that. Okay, now let me draw you some parallel right here, some corridor I would say. So you can see that we are just bouncing from the support level upwards, and that's why I want to go all in, and I want to go for long because we still have some room until the resistance level. And yeah, zigzag is kind of telling us about that. Well, here we go. We have our profit right here, $144, which is quite fine, I believe. Let's move to another one. Oh my days! I mean, oscillator shows upside potential, so why wouldn't I? 144 is meaning maximum. I'm going for that. Zigzag confirms an uptrend without major pullbacks, to be honest. And I don't have any hesitation, I don't have any issue with going upwards. There you go. It was kind of brisky. I don't know, I thought they were gonna lose it, but okay. GBP and USD right here. Going to maximum, going all in right now, kind of going for short because we can see that we do have the rebound downtrend, and I do suggest further decline. At the same time, oscillator and vortex, they both point to short. But I'm keep getting the profit. I still earn some money just to help myself, help my parents. I don't know, there are some health issues and everything, which is the most. Okay, now what do we have here? GBP and Australian dollars. So this is what we have right now, because we do have the sideways range right here. You can see that. Yeah, obviously this is what we got right now. I'm gonna go for long. We have a rebound here. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, so we do have the sideways range, and price just bounced clearly between the boundaries, just up and down, up and down. So currently, I mean, at the time when I just entered the market, we were at the lower boundary, and I was expecting a move up. So the rebound is what I was expecting for, and this is currently what is happening, and which is quite quite good. I mean, you know that I like being right, first of all, and I like winning. I'm a very competitive one, to be honest. This is what I'm not as recently. You know, I like competitions and I like winning all the time. I like to be the best one. And yeah, we kind of winning it anyway. Like 2 seconds. Yeah, there you go. $835 right there. Really good. Canadian dollars into Japanese yen here. What do we have here? We do have the strong 550. Wait, yeah, we do have the strong bearish candle, and you can see that one with a long wick, to be honest. So resistance is above, vortex gives us a sell signal, so I want to go for short. Here we go, $1,056. Do you remember the balance in the beginning of the video? I believe, yeah, it was, if you don't, then it was $75. Now I do have 1,341 here. Whoa, clear, obvious, easy one. Going all in, guys. This chance, you have to use this type of chances. You have to seize this type of things. Going $1,341 and bet. Wow. So basically, you can see this. We do have a strong uptrend with the steady buyers. Zigzag and vortex, both of them, they're showing the strong bullish signals. Just look at them. Just look at the whole situation right now. And by the way, guys, yep, you may be asking a lot of questions in the comments. That's totally fine. I'm really okay with that, and I kind of want you to ask a lot of questions in the comments and everything. But let me continue in 3 seconds. 2, 1. $2,575 from $75. Isn't it great? I believe it is. So yeah, I don't mind you asking a lot of questions in the comments. I to be honest, I'm asking you to do it, but the thing is, do not try to repeat yourself, because in the Telegram VIP group of mine, I'm asking like 90% of the questions that are being asked in the comment section, and the link for that, which is quite obvious and quite surprising for me that you don't really get that. The link for the Telegram VIP group is in the pinned, the first comment in the comment section. Then basically that comment with the link is pinned right there, so you just can go there and check, because I'm not asking for any type of money, any type of how do I say, any type of currency. It's not purchasing anything. You're just joining the team, and that is for free. This is how it's supposed to be. You're just entering it, finding the answers to your questions, and this is what you're doing apparently right there. You just keep finding answers to your questions with all the explanations, with all the strategies, and the patterns, and so on and so forth. And this is absolutely for free. I'm not asking you to do anything. You just go there and check it out and work with it, or do not really, because it doesn't really suit you that well. At least you can give it a shot, So thank you for watching, and take care, guys. I mean, health is very much important. Just trust me. This is number one priority should be in your life and everyone's life. So thank you. Stay healthy. Take care.